Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased reviews of products that make a difference. Today, we're checking out the Waring Commercial 2 HP blender. With its promise of high performance and durability, it's got quite a bit of appeal for both professionals and home users looking for power and precision in their blending tasks. Let's take a closer look at what this blender brings to the table and whether it lives up to the hype. First off, the Waring Commercial 2 HP blender is equipped with a powerful 2-horsepower motor that can reach up to 24,000 RPM. This is a standout feature for anyone who needs a blender capable of handling tough tasks like crushing ice or pureeing hard vegetables quickly. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or even making cocktails, this blender's high-speed capabilities are designed to get the job done efficiently. It also features variable dial controls, allowing you to adjust the speed to match whatever you're blending. The blender comes with a 48 oz copolyester jar that's both durable and BPA-free. This means you won't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food while you blend. The jar is stackable, making it convenient for storage when it's not in use, which is a nice touch if you're working in a kitchen with limited space. And let's not forget the fact that it's made in the USA, with a mix of US and foreign parts, ensuring that you're getting a product that's built to last. Now let's talk about how this blender performs in real-world use. Setting it up is straightforward, as you'd expect from a commercial-grade appliance. Just attach the jar to the base, turn the variable speed dial, and you're good to go. During testing, I tried a variety of tasks, from crushing ice for margaritas to blending frozen fruits, and even making thick smoothies. I was impressed by how quickly it pulverized ice. 3 16-oz margaritas were ready in less than 8 seconds, which is an impressive feat for any blender. The variable speed controls were responsive, giving me the flexibility to adjust for different textures, from smooth purees to chunkier blends. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. The blender is powerful, but that power comes at the cost of noise. While this might not be an issue in a commercial kitchen, it could be a bit jarring if you're using it in a home setting where you're used to quieter appliances. Additionally, while the 48 oz jar is a decent size, it may be a bit small if you're preparing larger batches. So keep that in mind if you're looking to use it for big family meals or catering. When it comes to the build quality, the Waring Commercial 2 HP blender feels solid and built to last. The stainless steel drive coupling is a nice touch, as it ensures durability and makes the coupling easy to replace if needed. This is something you don't see often in consumer-grade blenders, and it's a clear indication that this model is designed for long-term use in both commercial and home environments. One of the things I really appreciate about the Waring blender is the simplicity of its design. It's not overloaded with features or unnecessary buttons. What you get is a clean, functional interface that makes it easy to operate. The controls feel intuitive, and the blender doesn't require a lot of fuss to get started. As for its value for money, the Waring Commercial 2 HP blender is priced in a higher range compared to typical home blenders. But when you look at what it offers, such as its powerful motor, durability, and the fact that it can handle high-volume tasks, you start to see the value. It's certainly an investment, but for those who need a blender that can handle heavy-duty work, whether in a commercial kitchen or for home use, the performance justifies the price. In terms of competition, there are a few other high-performance blenders in the market that could be considered. Brands like Vitamix and Blendtec are often compared to Waring in this category. And while those brands offer excellent blenders, Waring has the edge in certain aspects, like its commercial-grade durability and the ease with which parts can be replaced. Vitamix, for instance, offers some great models with variable speed controls, but they tend to be priced higher. The Waring blender stands out by offering a solid, professional-grade performance at a slightly more accessible price point. As far as longevity goes, while long-term data is still being collected, Waring's reputation for durability in commercial appliances is a good sign. If you treat it well and follow the manufacturer's care instructions, this blender should be able to handle years of heavy use without issue. It's solidly built, and given the quality of the materials used, it seems like it will hold up well in the long run. Customer support for Waring has generally been well regarded, especially for their commercial products. They offer reliable service and support when needed, and they stand by the quality of their products. In my experience, I haven't had to reach out for any issues, but based on the company's reputation, I would expect prompt and helpful assistance if something were to go wrong. In terms of updates, there isn't much to mention here. Since the Waring Commercial 2 HP blender is a standalone appliance, it doesn't rely on software or firmware updates to improve its performance. So after all is said and done, is the Waring Commercial 2 HP blender worth it? Worth it. If you're looking for a blender that can handle tough jobs, produce quick results, and last through years of use, this blender ticks all the right boxes. Its powerful motor, durable construction, and ease of use make it a solid choice for both commercial kitchens and home users looking to step up their blending game. The noise level and smaller jar size are things to keep in mind, but overall, it's a dependable and efficient machine. If you're after a blender that can tackle more demanding tasks and don't mind the price tag, the Waring Commercial 2 HP blender is definitely worth considering. It's a reliable, high-performance appliance that delivers on its promises. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in getting the Waring Commercial 2 HP blender, check out the link in the comments box. Feel free to leave any questions or share your thoughts if you've already used it. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, where we keep the reviews real and the insights sharp.